Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow lion's mane mushrooms outside. First, let's prepare your substrate. You'll want to select a hardwood material like oak sawdust or wood chips. It's crucial to pasteurize this substrate to eliminate any competing fungi or bacteria. Aim for a moisture content of around 60 to 65%. This provides the perfect environment for your mycelium to thrive. This initial step is vital for a successful outdoor grow. Once your substrate is ready, it's time for inoculation. Gently mix your lion's mane grains spawn throughout the prepared substrate. Ensure even distribution for optimal colonization. Then, transfer this mixture into breathable grow bags or suitable containers. During the incubation phase, keep the temperature consistently between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. This warm, stable environment encourages the mycelium to fully colonize the substrate, preparing it for fruiting. With your substrate fully colonized, it's time to introduce fruiting conditions. Move your grow bags or containers to a shaded outdoor location, protected from direct sunlight and strong winds. Lion's mane thrives in high humidity, ideally between 85 and 95%, so consider a humidity tent if needed. Good air exchange is also critical to prevent carbon dioxide from accumulating, which can inhibit mushroom development. These conditions encourage beautiful mushroom formation. Finally, the exciting part, harvesting your lion's mane mushrooms. You'll know they are ready when their distinctive teeth are fully elongated and the mushroom appears dense. To harvest, gently twist or cut the mushroom at its base, being careful not to damage the substrate. You can typically expect multiple flushes from a single block, meaning you'll enjoy fresh mushrooms over several weeks. Enjoy your delicious, homegrown lion's mane.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.